camping trip. Alright, are you guys ready to go camping?
We sure are!
Yep, we got everything we needed. Alright then, let's go!
So, how long do we have to get to the camping area?
I'm not sure, but I think it'll take 30 minutes to get here.
Should we put some music?
Sure thing, Rayla. Alright, we're here. Alright, now let's set this place up. Tanner, did you got the tents? Yep, I have them in my bag. Alright then, now let's set them up. There we go, the tents are now set up. Anyways, Ishu and Rayla, can you go get the logs from the forest? Because we need it for the campfire.
Sure thing! Okay, so where could the logs be?
I think it's right over there.
Alright then, let's get it! Hey Hayden, we got the logs!
Thanks, girls. Now let's place them here. Excellent. We finished setting up the camp. So, now that we're done, what should we do?
I know! We should play hide and seek!
That's a great idea, Ishu! But who's gonna be the seeker?
I'll be the seeker.
Well, I guess that settles it. Hayden, you're gonna count. The rest of us will hide in the woods.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Where should I hide? I know! I'll hide in the bush! They'll never find me here!
I'll go behind the tree.
Okay, now where should I hide? Aha!
8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Ah, there you are, Ishu.
Oh man!
Come on, let's go find the others. Aha! Found you, Tanner. Wow, you're sure really a good seeker. Yes, I am. Anyways, let's go find Rayla. Now, where could Rayla be? Oh my goodness, Rayla! Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I was just hiding by climbing up the tree.
Well, I'm glad you're okay. Anyways, the sun is about to go down. I think we should go back to the campfire. Yeah, I agree. Let's just go. Wait a minute. What's wrong, Tanner? Look!
Hey guys!
Oh, hey Demi Master, Sharky Plus, Irfan and Abigail. What are you guys doing here?
Oh, we just wanted to go camping with you guys.
Ah, I see.
So, what are you guys doing?
Well, we were just about to eat s'mores! Wanna come join us?
You bet we do.
Alright then, let's make some s'mores! So to me, Master, how is your studio going?
It's doing good to say the least.
Mine's doing good as well. Me too.
Me free!
Guys, I think we should go back to our tents. It's like 11:30 p.m.
Oh yeah, you're right. We should go sleep in our tents. He's right. Let's go back to sleep. What is it, Issue? Can you say I'm trying to sleep?
Sorry, but I heard a noise coming from outside.
What are you talking about? Oh yeah, you're right.
Should we find out what's going on?
I think so. So, where do you think the noise came from?
I don't know, but I think it came from the bushes.
Well, whoever came to the bushes, that might have been a squirrel.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Well, no time for waits. Let's go back to our
Hayden? Are you okay?
Issue? I think we should run.
Why? Oh.
Okay, I think she's gone. Anyways, let's get out of here before we... Oh, crap. Hmm? Now who could that be? Hello? Hey, Tanner, we need your help. Wait, Hayden? Is that you? Of course it's me. Why are you calling me? It's like 12:39 in the morning. Aren't you supposed to sleep? We were, but we ran into a problem. What happened?
Me and Hayden were stuck inside a cave because the boulder blocked the cave entrance.
Wait, Issue? Is that you?
Yes, it's me. Can you help us get out?
Don't worry. I'll get you guys out of here.
Tanner, why did you call us to me here?
Well, apparently, Hayden and Issue are stuck inside a cave.
Hold on. How did that happen?
Hayden called me on the phone and said that they were stuck inside a cave.
We have to save them before it's too late.
Yeah, Rayla. Come on, everyone. Let's go save them.
So, when do you think they'll arrive?
I don't know, but I think they'll come here and save us in a few minutes. But don't worry, we won't be here for a long time. Have you guys found a cave yet?
Nope, I don't see it.
Well, we gotta keep looking.
Wait a second, what's that?
What do you mean?
Hold on, let me get it. Oh, would you look at that? It's a hammer.
Nice. That means we can use this hammer to break the boulder to get Hayden and Issue out.
Yeah, you may be right. But let's move on now.
Oh look, we're here.
Now it's time to rake this boulder. Hiya!
Oh my goodness! We're saved! Thank you so much for freeing us out. No problem. Anyways, let's go back to the campfire.
So how did you guys get stuck inside the cave?
Well, we heard a strange noise coming from outside, so we had to find out what caused it.
But while we're trying to go back to our tents, we saw Evil Leafy wandering around the woods. So we ran inside the cave and hide there so that she can't get us. But then, the boulder blocked the cave entrance, and that is how we got stuck.
Oh, that explains it. Anyways, let's get back to sleep.
Okay.
Okay.